Maddie, what are you doing?
I want to pee.
Where?
On grass.
How come?
I want to go pee and purpose.
Like Cooper did? What did Cooper do?
What will we do? Purpose go pee in the grass.
He did?
And we try that again.
Oh, honey.
I want to go pee.
You gotta go in the potty.
Now I go grass. Like Logan.
Did Logan go pee-pee in the grass?
Mom's
You're a girl, honey.
no.
Girls go pee-pee in the toilet.
And girls. Mom's no. Me.
What?
Mom's no.
Mommy said no.
No. Not later. Mommy's yes.
Oh, she said yes?
Yeah. Mommy's yes. Go in the grass.
Oh, Mommy told you you could pee-pee in the grass?
Yeah. Mommy's